If you want to become a NauticEd instructor, there's a series of steps that we run you through. First thing that's going to happen is you're going to fill out a form online. We can learn a little bit about you, learn a little bit about why you want to become an instructor. And then we make you go through all of the courses with NauticEd. We have a transformational instructor course that is fantastic. Everybody goes through that course. They always call me back saying, wow, that was really amazing. It's actually nothing to do with how to sail or go boating. It's actually everything about how to be an amazing instructor. We teach you about the American National Standards. We show you how to implement that on the boat. We make you sign a commitment document to the American National Standards, and then you have a call with me personally. And what I do on that call is really start to indoctrinate you into what we call a competence culture. We want to show you how you implement this competence to the student, but also show how you can use our tools to find the weaknesses that a student might have on the boat and how to fix those, but also how to just sign off that student. You know, if they've got a weakness, well, we're not going to be signing them off at this level, we're going to be signing them off at this level, and how to actually explain that to the student so the student walks away going, oh, wow, they knew what they were doing, they knew how to do it, and I walked away from this whole program going, wow, that was a really good training experience. The amount of experience that we require for you to be an instructor is that you have to have 100 days minimal of relevant experience. So if you're going to be a sailing instructor, you need to have 100 days of sailing experience. If you're going to be a powerboat instructor, then you need to have 100 days of powerboat experience as well. On top of that, if you're operating in the United States and coastal waters, you need to have a Coast Guard captain's license.